Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel, Dumpster Cam. I am coming back at you with another home video today. I did actually do a little bit of dumpster diving earlier and I found very minimal things, but I did find a few things. So I'll try some more places throughout this upcoming week and hopefully have a video for you, like a dumpster diving haul video for you soon as well. Excited to get back into that. But for now, we're still at home videos, and today I wanted to give you a fall house tour before it gets too late. And when I say house tour, it's more of a living room tour, because that's pretty much where all this stuff is, in a tiny bit in the kitchen dining area, so I'll show you that as well. Today for me is Halloween. It is about 6:30 Halloween evening. I don't know if I'm going to get any trick-or-treaters just because I did just move in here and, Corona and everything. I'm going to lean towards no, that I'm not going to get anybody. But I do have a kid that lives next door, so maybe he'll stop by. I don't know. I did buy some candy just in case, just a little bit. Yes, I actually bought it this year, unfortunately. I've always found my candy blessed or in the past few years, but that's okay. So you guys will probably be seeing this tomorrow on November 1st. I hope you guys had a happy Halloween, a safe Halloween. Yeah, so let me just get right into the fall tour. Speaking of house tours though, I'm not going to show you my kitchen, most of it, because I did get a few more things all put together and I'm excited to show you those. However, I'm still waiting for my pantry and garbage can to be built, and I'm waiting for a few more things to come in the mail, and then I can give you a final house tour and then before and after and all that stuff. So it's coming. But let's get the fall house tour done first. Starting over here in the corner, just for this year, I just kind of plopped all of these pumpkins in the corner. I do wish I had some on risers or something, but it'll do for now. All of these pumpkins came from the trash. This big one is my favorite. It does have some chips, and I'm trying not to let it chip anymore because it seems to be happening quite frequently, but I do love it. But I love all the other ones as well. Super fun. That's all the same. My basket wall is the same. Somebody told me this looks like 1980. Fine, I'll accept that, but it's back in style, so I like it. All right, here is my little fireplace. Yes, I know I have a lot of stuff here, but I just wanted to decorate for the first holiday in my house. So I put everything up and I'm happy about it. I think it still looks pretty cute. These paper cardboard pumpkins I found last year at Joann Fabrics, and I have another one that is sitting in my front window as well. I just chose this one because it sits flat. The other one was at an angle. So these were just a store display last year. They probably had them again this year, but I haven't found any. Obviously, I haven't been dumpster diving very much. Super cute. Same background as before. This squirrel is a dumpster dive find, so is this half of a pine cone. Those might be as well. These little ones might be. I can't remember. But these two bigger ones I got at the dollar store last year. And then down here, lower left, I have this beautiful faux foliage and pumpkins. Again, dumpster find. So are these three pumpkins right here, and then this little gnome I got from Home Goods last year. I actually purchased him with a gift card that I had. So he's super cute. And then I switched out my candles with some pumpkin smelling candles. These are also from the dumpster. I want to say they're like nutmeg or something. I don't know. But I do not light candles. As you can see, the wicks are still brand new. I just am not a candle person. So no stress with them being so close to the curtains. However, even with them being open like this with no lid, I can still smell like they still have a fragrance to them. So that's super nice. Okay, moving this way. Little hedgehog, he's from the dumpster. So is this cool textured woven yellow pumpkin. And here is this built-in shelving. Yes, I know it's a bit cluttered, but again, I just wanted to get everything up for my first holiday here, so that's okay. I have another tiny little gnome. He's facing the wrong direction right now because I just turned my plant, but a tiny gnome and then that pumpkin platter both came from the trash. So did this little archway, but I fixed the wreath on that. Super cute. And then this wreath I made a few years ago, and I've always had it on my front door, except this year my front door, like the screen, the distance between the screen and the front door isn't thick enough for that pumpkin. So it couldn't fit, so I brought it inside. And another little gnome that I got from Home Goods. And I think he says give thanks underneath it. Or Happy Turkey Day, I guess. But I mean, you can't even see it. That's okay. This little pumpkin sign I bought last year. And these, I'm fairly certain, are all from the dumpster. I bought that welcome to our home sign. It should say welcome to my home. You know, now that I mention that, I have seen so many signs in stores that say like welcome to our home or welcome to our nest, stuff like that, or welcome to our pumpkin patch, things along those lines, but there's nothing that says welcome to my home or welcome to my this. You know what I mean? It's always our or we, which is fine. I'm not complaining. It's not a huge deal, but home decor designers should keep that in mind. Some people do live by themselves. And then up here, pumpkin pie, which my mom bought me. Super cute. I did love that. I love pumpkin pie. It's the greatest thing ever. And that little orange vase I got from the dumpster as well. And then my pillows, which, yes, I know it's a lot, but I do love them, and I love all the colors together. And I can still sit here and even over here, but I don't sit on the couch very often, if we're being honest. The bluish, greenish plaid ones I bought from Kirkland's last year. The white ones and this beautiful yellow velvet leaf one are from thrift stores. Oh, so is the sugar skull and the blanket. And then the two orange ones are from the dumpster. Over here, I have just a little bit. The white pumpkins from the dumpster. The other two I'm fairly certain I purchased. And I think that's it for fall decor in here. Things that are new that you guys haven't seen. Super cute. And then let me show you my kitchen stuff, or the kitchen fall decor, I suppose. It's just this section. Let me back up, try to get it all in view here. So this pumpkin is one of my favorites. That's from the dumpster. These three pumpkins, the little white one I think is from the dumpster, but those two I purchased, fairly certain. This is all from the dumpster, that little pumpkin vase. Same with that one and those two. Those are actually salt and pepper shakers, and I think they're super sweet. So here's this one. This is one of my favorites. I think it's so pretty. It almost looks like an acorn to me, and if you haven't been with me for that long, this one was thrown out because its little stem popped off. So that was an easy, super easy fix. And then here's this. I did paint the ball jar and stick this in there. I found them on 2 separate occasions. But I love the color of the pumpkin. That fit perfectly. And then this one didn't have a nose. I like to call it a nose. A little thing on the top either. So I just shoved some greens in there. And then these are the salt and pepper shakers, which are super adorable. So really, that's it, guys. I'll show you a tiny bit. Don't mind my mess there by the door. I'll show you a tiny bit in the bathroom. I don't want to give anything away because I do have some progress being made in there. So I have very minimal Halloween decor in here. But I have these 2 skulls on these velvet candlesticks that I glued some monarch butterflies to many, many years ago. I think they look pretty spooky that way. And then this raven flicker candle. Let me see if there's batteries in it. That is from, yeah, see, it works. That is from the dumpster. Oh, and I have one more thing to show you outside, so I'll show you that in just a second. And then this candlestick and holder from the dumpster as well. And then I just have this Happy Halloween tea towel, which I think I purchased that. I can't remember. I can't remember these days. But that's about it for the bathroom. And then I have one more thing to show you that's outside. Because like I said, it is Halloween, so I'm hoping maybe somebody will come and get some candy from me. I don't know. It's not super dark yet. But this is a recent dumpster find. It projects, it's Disney, so I know a lot of Disney people would love this. I don't think it's meant for outside. I think it might be meant for inside, but I have it outside just for today. but it changes colors and there's different settings, but it has like Minnie Mouse, Mickey Mouse, Goofy over here, a pumpkin. Again, you can't, what does that say? Come alive? Stuff like that. But here's the little projector itself. That's my blow-up skeleton I got last year from the dumpster. He is not in the greatest shape at the moment. Neither is this guy. His head fell off because of the cold. I had glued it on and it just fell off, but that's okay. Oh, and then one more fun thing. These are also a recent dumpster find. These witch's legs. Look at how fabulous she is. Her little green stockings. Super cute. I just shoved those over there with all of my pumpkins. But that is it, guys. That's my fall house tour for this year. I just wanted to show you before it got too late and before everything had to come down. Most of this I will be keeping up through November-ish, parts of November at least. Some of it I'll take down, like the sugar skull pillow I'll put away. Maybe these pumpkins on the mantle. Pretty much everything else can stay for a little while longer because of Thanksgiving. Thanksgiving is one of my favorite holidays. I don't know, I think I just like fall time. But that's it for today. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you had a happy Halloween, and I will be back soon with more home renovation and dumpster diving videos. Thank you.